Since the Russian invasion, Ukraine forces have put a great defense and offense against Russian forces. In this footage, captured on May 4th, a pivotal moment unfolds as a Ukrainian tank takes decisive action, obliterating an advancing Russian tank with pinpoint accuracy through direct fire. Following the devastating blow dealt to the Russian tank, the scene intensifies as two Russian infantry fighting vehicles hastily retreat from the battlefield. Recognizing the formidable strength and resolve of the Ukrainian defenders, Ukraine's Defense Intelligence Unit has just unveiled remarkable footage of a successful covert mission that strikes at the heart of Russian-occupied Crimea. In this daring operation, executed under the cloak of darkness, a Magura V5 drone emerges as the silent avenger, delivering a decisive blow against Russian aggression. Captured in gripping detail and released on May 6th, the footage showcases the stealth and precision of the Magura V5 as it swiftly closes in on its unsuspecting target, a high-speed boat belonging to the Russian Black Sea Fleet. Operating under the cover of night, the drone executes its mission with calculated efficiency, evading detection by the enemy's visual surveillance. In a stunning display of its combat capabilities, the Magura V5 unleashes its firepower, unleashing devastation upon the Russian speedboat and effectively neutralizing the threat it posed to Ukrainian waters. The Magura V5's versatility as a multi-purpose unmanned surface vehicle further solidifies its role as a key asset in Ukraine's arsenal. In this jaw-dropping point-of-view drone footage, Ukraine forces demonstrate their mastery of modern warfare as they systematically dismantle Russian tanks with surgical precision. The Russian tanks stand defenseless against the relentless onslaught of Ukraine's combat drones. The war in Ukraine has been characterized by drone deployment of unprecedented scale, with thousands of unmanned aerial vehicles used to track enemy forces and guide artillery and bomb targets. The tiny, inexpensive FPV drone has proved to be one of the most potent weapons in this war. Some drones crash into enemy targets. Meanwhile, other drones employ a more calculated tactic, hovering above their targets before releasing their payload of grenades with surgical precision. With deadly accuracy, these explosive payloads rain down upon the Russian tanks, unleashing chaos and destruction upon impact.